Hi guys, welcome to another episode of HubFuel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how we can connect apps within HubSpot. If we navigate to our HubSpot portal, on the top navigation bar, this shop icon is for our marketplace. We can then click into App Marketplace. From here, in the top search bar, we can find the app that we're looking to integrate. In this example, I'm going to take Gmail. Once I've found the app in question, I can click on Install App in the top right hand corner. This will take me to the App Store, and then from there I can then get the app. As you can see, I already have Gmail in my instance, so I don't need to install it again. In order to monitor the apps that are currently installed within the HubSpot instance, I can navigate to Settings, under Account Setup, Integrations, and Connected Apps. And from here, I can see the apps that are currently connected. Within the Connected Apps space, I can actually manage the apps in question. So for example, under Google Contacts and under the actions, I can either manage the account connected to the app, as some apps can have multiple accounts connected. I can reconnect the account, remove the account, or even uninstall the integration entirely. And that's how we connect apps in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, guys. Speak to you next time.